All right, here's how I want you to start. Go to the Chrome Web Store. You can just Google Chrome Web Store, and you are going to search for Screencastify. So the Screencastify extension will open up, and you will just click to Add to Chrome and Add Extension. And this will add Screencastify as an extension in Google Chrome. So I should have preceded this with saying make sure you're using Chrome as your web browser. And I'm on country internet here, so I'm hoping I can get this to work quickly. All right, so I'm going to add Screencastify as an extension. That will appear up here next to my extensions so that you can use Screencastify to record your clips for your intro, the introduction for your tech ed project with the instructions. All right, once we have that extension added, right here it is, Screencastify. I'm going to see if it works to run two screencasting options at once. You'll click on Screencastify, and you are going to sign in with Google and use your school Gmail account. So I'm going to, again, sign in with Google. Select my school account. You have to give it permissions to use your camera and microphone. So I'm going to choose allow, and again, allow Screencastify to use it. And the celebration that we're finally connected. All right, so now if I want to start using Screencastify, I can click it. I want you to choose webcam only and decide ahead of time which of the instructions or script Rich is going to read and which are Jeff going to read. I kind of have it divided up on your presentation, so if you want to go by that, that's totally fine. You can just read through them and like I said, divvy it up. But I'm going to choose webcam and select record. And this is what you'll do once you have it decided. You'll notice it gave me a beep beep to count it down. Now it's recording my face and it's going to be recording everything I say. Do it in small clips or small segments and click stop in between. And you will see that it'll bring you to the editing area. So I'm going to skip the tour. So what I can do is up here is where you can rename it. So you might rename this, you know, and again, you're going to kind of want to let me know how you divide it up, but maybe it's Jeff clip 1 or Rich clip 2 or whatever it is. And then it will share it in Google Drive. So then what I want you to do when you're all done with them is go in and just share them. That is an awful screenshot, by the way. I must really like what I do. But at any rate, share those clips with me and I'll get them added to your final project, your final presentation, and I'll upload it to YouTube because that's usually the easiest way to share it with the kiddos, and we'll go from there. So I hope that walks you through it, and I'm here to help, so give me a shout.